Well, the Hutton Hutton journey started about 5 years ago, 6 years ago, and so we started with a little shop, 38 square metres, and there was the two of us, and there was the three of us, and then the four of us, and here we are today with our two offices, with over 20 staff, and our goal is to grow it to 100 agents across Brisbane, and then we'll see where we go to from there. Generally, the biggest tip I've learned is knowing my numbers. Like really knowing my numbers is critical, having a very good accountant, having a strategy in place, reviewing your data all the time.
The business tip that I would have for other leaders is to have everyone buy into the vision. For example, when Peter set out to create this, I really wanted it to just be him and me. I didn't want to grow the team at all. We had lots of conversations around it, and I realised I had to buy into the vision with my whole heart, not just pay lip service. Oh yeah, I'll come along for the ride. It's about having a vision, holding the vision, creating team vision as well.
There are three phases to a business. There's the creation phase, there's a maintenance phase, and then there's a destruction phase. The trick is, if you want your business going, you need to stay in the creative phase as long as you can, because that will keep you growing. The energy that was going into your business starts to dissipate and it starts going elsewhere. That's what happened with me in my previous agency. In this business, I've gone, I'm not playing a finite game, I'm playing an infinite game, which is just creating, growing and creating. So every day I come in, it's about growth and creating. And so there's no chance that I'm going to go into maintenance. So entrepreneurs need to keep creating. That's what I've learned.